Díomh gach duine agus fáilte chuig de ceacht Gaeilge inniu an lún agus tá sin 8ú lá de bhí mearta agus táimid chun scéalaíanamh ar lá éile páric or St. Patrick's Day. Folklore nua, new words, hat of glass, green hat, scarf, glass or scarf glass, shamrock, shamrock, suhantas, which is like a sash, um, ribbon glass or green ribbon, chlórshacht is a harp, bratach glass, green flag, and then balloon glass, green balloon. Lá éile pork. It's an aimsir chatte, it's in the past tense, all of the verbs are in the past, inné. Lá éile pork a bhí ann. Bhí cluiche pella I barc an crocaig. Bhí éine ag dul. Chur sé hata glas agus scarf glas air agus shamrock ina chóta. Ach ní raibh éon suhantais aige. So it was St. Patrick's Day. Lá éile pork a bhí ann. It was. Bhí cluiche pella I barc an crocaig. There was a football match in Croke Park. Bhí éine ag dul. Éine was going. Chur sé hata glas. He put a green hat, a green scarf on himself, air, agus shamrock in a chóta, and shamrock in his coat. He didn't, ach means but, he didn't have a sash. Fuair éine piasa the ribbon glass agus chlórshacht agus rinne sé suhantais. So then he got, fuair sé éine, piasa the ribbon, he got a piece of ribbon, glass, green ribbon, and a chlórshacht and a harp, and he made, rinne sé suhantais, he made a sash. Chur éine an suhantais ar a chóta, so he put it onto his coat. I'm wondering suhantais, a badge, suhantais. So I'm saying sash, it looks like a little sash badge, but I'm guessing he made a badge. Yeah, it's a badge. So he made a little badge, you can see it there, his shamrock and his suhantais. He made a badge with ribbon and a harp. Chur éine an suhantais ar a chóta, he put it on his coat. Chuig éine go dtí Páirc an Crocaig ar an train. He went to Croke Park on the train. Bhí Róisín in éineacht leis. Róisín went with him. Cheannaigh Róisín bratach glass agus balloon glass. She bought a green flag and a green balloon. Hug Róisín an bratach glass to éine. Róisín hug she, the green flag to éine. Nuair a bhí an cluiche pell heart when the football match was over, heart, ris slua mór amach ar an barc. A big crowd, slua mór they ran out of the park. Ri éine amach ar an barc. Éine ran out of the park. Tá bhfuil de chuhantais ar sa Róisín le héine agus iad ag dul a bháile ar an train. Where is your badge? Said Róisín, to éine with éine, and while they were going home on the train. Dick éine sias. He looked down. Bhí a chuhantais imithe. His badge was gone. So inniu, caithfí tusa ar sibse, part A again of fear no breagach, true or false. Lá éile páirc a bhí ann, fear or breagach. Bhí cluiche rugby I barc an crocaig. Is that true? Fear no breagach, false. Chur éine shamrock ina chóta. Fear no breagach. Rinne éine suhantais le piasa de ribbon glass agus chlórshacht, harp. Chuig éine agus Róisín go dtí Páirc an Crocaig ar an bus. Did they go on the bus? Fear no breagach. Ceannaigh éine bratach glass. He bought a green flag. Rit Róisín amach ar an barc. She ran out of the park. Okay, so you're going to write fear no breagach I the whole plural. Then you're going to go back to the story and you're going to change it into the present aimsir loirech. So I'm just going to go through and tell you what verbs to change and whether you'll find them on the irregular page or whether you need to look elsewhere. So a bhí ann, that's on the irregular page. We want to change it to, it's happening right now. It is St. Patrick's Day. This is it was. A tá ann, it will change to tá. So you're changing V here. V. Chur will change, so the H will come out. This is not irregular, so I'll go through this one now in a moment. We're changing chur. Ní raibh, we're changing. It's in the irregular pages. For, that's the verb I want to really look at this week. It's an irregular one. Rinne is an irregular one. Cur is not, but I'll do it in a moment. Chuig is irregular, it's on the irregular pages. V is irregular. Cheannig is not irregular. Hug is not irregular. V is. Ri is not irregular. Or this one. Call will, that is irregular, and it's actually it's in the present. She's asking where is your badge. You don't have to change, it's changed already for you. So that sentence is absolutely completely fine. Call will the huntish ursa roshi nahena. And then Deach is not irregular. I'll show you how to change that one, but it has to change. And V is irregular. So it's V, 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 her, Ní rev, for, rinne, her, chuig, V, ceannig, hug, V, ri, Deach, and V. So, like I said, they are all in the. There's just chur, ceannig, ri. Chur, ceannig, and ri. I think the only ones that aren't on that 11-page irregular ones. So I'll just show you very quickly. What to do. I want a new one. How do I get a new one? Sorry. File. Why won't you let me open a new one? That's strange. Okay, now it will. Okay, never mind. Okay, so we're going to create a new document just to show you how her changes. So, as I said, in the past tense, her. So I'm sure gotcha. It's her. You have to change it to the I'm sure Loira. And I've just deleted everything, so let me just do that again. The I'm sure Loira would be, H goes, and you're left with the root of the verb cur. You see that the last vowel is quail, so then my ending is quail. So that's going to be your, I'll highlight the changes, the way they have to be. So it'll be current for your story. Then I'm sure, I'll go back to black, sorry. The other verb that isn't, I'm sure gotcha of the next verb that you have to change is ceannig. Okay, now ceannig is not irregular. It's different to cur. Cur is one syllable, cur, but ceannig is ceannig. So these are the this EANN and ANN. That's how one syllable words end. This is a two syllable one, so it's going to change to H goes cean, and then that's a Lahan, a wide one, so it's going to have a wide Lahan, and it's going to go to cean Ian in the I'm sure Loira, cean Ian. Might change the colour of that blue in a moment. So you'd cur, ceannig, and then the last one was ri. The rest of them you can find on your pages. So it was ri in the past. You can't put a H into it because we did before, just like you couldn't put last week a H into Rocky, like I will go. And for the I'm sure Loirach, for the present that you're changing into today, you just keep it the same, but you're adding on rihin, the ending, because it's one syllable, ri, so it's got the same type of ending as cur because it's also one syllable. Ceannig is a little bit different because it's got two syllables. So there's the endings you need when you're changing the chur part of your story, or the ceannig part, or the ri parts. Everything else, deach is also not irregular. I didn't do that one for you. So I'm sure gotcha, it's deach. So D, and the reason the D usually goes in front of vowels, but because you put a H for the I'm sure gotcha into feich, it changes this FH is like it's silent, so it's deach. That's why the D is there. But then in the Aimsir Loirach, which is the present, which is the Gach law, it changes to, you take off the D, take out the H, so it'll be fake, or faken. Again, it's got one syllable, so similar to re, similar to cur, and that's got one syllable, so the ending is either E-A-N-N if it's quail, or just A-N-N if it's Lahan. Canine or Canig is a little bit different because it's got two syllables, so it's either A-I fada O-N-N or I fada O-N-N. They're the endings, but that's the spellings you need there, and then everything else is on your pages that I sent of the irregular verbs. And I want you to focus for learning your verbs on four this week. Four in the past, Faigan, F-A-I-G-H-E-A-N-N, in the Aimsir Loirach, and in the future, Aimsir Oshnach, it's Yoe, G-H-E-O-B-H-A-I-D-H. So three completely different spellings for this verb to mean I got, I get, I will get. That's your Gaeilge Dé Luain on Luan, Tosulcum nach meag sé ro Yacker, Hjol or Shol Teach Trocht, Chum, Ma Veen Ein Aib Agutsa. So send me a message if you have any problems. Slán agus Bannacht.